Okay, hello guys. Welcome sa course natin. Today I'm gonna be talking about how you're going to apply jobs sa mga different freelancing websites. So, pumunta tayo ngayon sa ating screen and then let's try to go to onlinejobs.ph. So, I'm assuming this time may mga accounts na kayo from different freelancing websites and kasi nga hindi ka maka-apply kung wala ka pang account doon sa mga freelancing websites na na-discuss ko a few videos back. So, ito yung example ng online jobs natin. So, ito yung profile ko. So, in order for you to apply for jobs, all you need to do is go to this search na box or section here and then you can type whatever na virtual assistant job ang gusto mong gawin. So, ito yung virtual assistant and then click mo yung enter and then basically makikita mo diyan lahat ng mga job postings ngayon. Today is June 8, 2020. So, pwede mo siyang i-open. Yan, pwede mo siyang i-open new tab ang mga nakikita mo. Huwag mo munang basahin kasi that's the key kasi nga ang daming nag-apply nito. So, before you read sa mga description, i-open mo lahat na yan into a new tab para you can just read it all at once. Okay? So, that's the key and that's the parang tip na rin. So, last one. Sige, hanapan tayo ng isa for this example. And then, once makita nyo dyan guys na naka-open na yan lahat, all you need to do is click here. Isa-isa. So, kailangan mo nang basahin. So, e-commerce virtual assistant at UK or United Kingdom based company. So, yan ang mga description niya. We are a small dynamic company based in UK selling premium organic herbal supplements. Okay, basahin niyo yan. We are looking for a rockstar virtual assistant. So, rockstar daw. Yan, basahin mo lang yan. And then, please note, applicants who do not address the selection criteria below or send us recycled copy paste cover letter will not be considered. Thank you. Okay? So, for example, dito guys, gusto mo to apply yan. And then, so nakita nyo naman na hindi siya tumatanggap ng mga copy-paste na mga cover letter. So, ang gawin natin, pwede mo rin siyang applyan, pero, i-click mo lang to, okay? Same thing also guys with other websites. So, ito din ang process natin sa how we're going to apply for jobs. So, ito yung subject natin. May subject nakalagay dyan. So, nakalagay na ako ng mga templates dyan. Lagay na dyan, application for Rockstar. Application for a Rockstar virtual assistant. The good thing about reading the description, parang ipa-feel mo sa client mo, sa potential client na binabasa mo talaga yung whole job description niya, hindi lang title na binabasa mo. So, na-mention niya kanina na kailangan niya daw ng isang virtual assistant rockstar. So, I think adding the rockstar na word, ilagay mo dyan sa subject letter, meaning naka-stand out ka na against sa mga competitors mo sa mga other freelancers. So, yan, and if you can still remember doon sa template na ginawa ko, here, virtual assistant, right? So, nandito lahat yung mga templates na gusto mong applyan. In fact, the next few months or next few days, lalagyan natin to ng different templates din. So, since you're applying for a virtual assistant and yung client is sinabi niya is hindi daw niya gusto yung mag-copy paste. So, walang problema yan guys. So, ang style ko dyan, i-open ko to into new note. Example ito yung new note ko. Gawa ko ng note and then i-copy ko yun lahat. Kasi sometimes din na-detect din ni online jobs na nag-copy paste ka lang. So, yan, naka-copy paste na yan sa notes ko or sa notepad nyo. Then, for you, para mag-apply ka, iyan mo lang, parang copy paste din, pero binabasa mo lang. So, example ito, hello, in response to your advertisement. So, okay. Kaya lang guys. Yan, basahin mo for dito and i-edit mo lang for a rockstar. Yan. Okay. I truly feel. Yan, okay. So, yan ang example guys na parang gusto mong detailed na parang job application. So, the good thing about these templates is kasi nga you can edit this based doon sa mga job postings na nakalagay doon. So, if the client is looking for next virtual assistant or a Rockstar virtual assistant, you can just add here Rockstar, right? So, pwede mo lang i-add dyan Rockstar. So, ang dami talagang pwede mong gawin sa cover letter na to. This is simply your guide. And I know it will be para bang plus factor sa inyo kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip ng mga cover letter mo. So, just make sure na depende sa in-applyan mo, just make sure din na kung wala ka pang experience like organizing leads or wala ka pang experience sa ano ba natawag yan? Wala ka pang experience dito sa handling your emails or setting appointments, huwag mo lang muna sigurong ilagay kasi nga para di may expect yung client mo. So if ever kung wala ka pa talagang experience niyan, just make sure na nag-study ka via YouTube para naman example Jake, do you have experience with handling email messages? So parang sabihin mo lang na wala ka pang experience pero I've been watching a lot of instructional videos on how to become a virtual assistant, and isa sa mga topics doon is how to handle emails. And if you're going to give me the job, I think I can do the job well. So parang ganun lang. So ikaw nang bahala mag-strategize yan guys, pero I do believe na maging effective yan. Okay? So yan ang example. Then after you finish this, you can just simply click on send email and then you're good to go. So next naman, still in the process, pabalik-balik yun yung process guys. So title natin and your message and then you send your email. So when it comes to parang kung wala ka pa talagang idea, Amazon FBA or Shopify Virtual Assistant, kung wala ka pang idea about Amazon FBA, so you don't need to apply to this kind of job kasi nga bababa yung job ID, yung ID nyo. And then, okay, hindi lahat na nakapost dyan is kailangan mo talagang applyan kasi nga may mga client din na very detailed din in hiring a virtual assistant, and then if they're going to hire you tapos wala ka namang background experience or talagang wala ka namang talagang experience na sa mga required nila, so maybe the client will report your account na sinasabihin nila na dishonest ka. So we don't want that to happen to our account kasi importante sa atin, di ba? So kailangan as a virtual assistant, I think we should be responsible din sa ating mga job applications. And if you want to really apply for this specific, for example, this for a specific job, and then wala ka pa talagang idea, and then guys, I would really recommend na to go to YouTube and study it, and somehow you will have the parang the idea on how to work on those specific na jobs na gusto mong kunin. Okay, so ito yung mga example natin ng how to apply for sa online jobs. And you can also, if we try to go back here, it's the process is actually the same. If we try to go to Upwork, ito yung Upwork natin. Sa case sa Upwork, kasi nga dati wala pa tong Connects pero ngayon every job application mo is may bayad na siya, which is yung ginagamit natin na Connects. Yung Connects natin may corresponding cost yun. So as a start, I cannot recommend talaga yung Upwork kasi nga very expensive siya, yung Connects niya. Pero I'm encouraging you guys na to really make an account here sa Upwork naman kasi nga medyo matagal din ma-approve yung profile mo. So I would still recommend to apply or make an account sa Upwork. Okay? So ito yung mga job dito sa Upwork, and then ay nakalagay diyan sa virtual assistant. Same process will do. So if I'm interested with this social media marketing, I can just open it into a new tab. Yan. Okay, same, really the same sa online jobs na ipinakita ko kanina. And then, yeah, once nagustuhan mo tong trabaho na to, you can just, ito yung connect na sinasabi ko guys. Required connects to submit a proposal is 2 connects. Yung available connects ko is 94. So, itong 94 guys, since hindi na ako nag-apply masyado ng job sa Upwork, and nakuha ko rin to dahil naging parang free nila sa top rated program, hindi ako sure kasi nga naging top rated din ako dito sa Upwork. So anyway, ito yung kung gusto mo mag-submit ng proposal, i-click mo lang yung submit, just wait for it to load, and then ito na yun. So, social media, okay. Ito na yung kung ano bang rate natin, ano ba. Ito ang tawag natin na fixed price, guys. So, hindi siya per hour. So, ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo na cover letter. So, ito mo ilagay yung this one. Pwede ito i-copy paste. Okay, pwede mo copy paste dyan. Okay, so in case Upwork, parang hindi rin nila gusto na mag-copy paste. So, same thing will happen sa online jobs. So, kailangan mo siyang i-type one by one para hindi ka malata sa algorithm that you are just copy pasting your job proposals. Okay, dyan, and then, okay, something, example lang yan. So, this is how you basically apply for jobs sa different websites. Ang dami pang websites, guys. If you try to go back doon sa different freelancing websites, I think by now you should be present na dito sa mga different online freelancing websites kasi nga dito ka mag-apply. Okay? So, may link kayo nito. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita sa last video natin, binigay natin yung link natin. I do think na the more you the more you have your profiles in different freelancing platform, the more that you will have a great chance to be hired sa mga different din na mga jobs across the web. Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. And if you have any questions or any clarifications or suggestions, please don't hesitate to message me or leave your comments in the comment section below or your questions in the comment section below. So guys, thank you for watching and see you sa next video natin.